welcome to your Sunday stretch. I hope you're ready to take a little bit of time for yourself and just enjoy this one, and I will see you on. Hi guys, and welcome to the stretch. So we're going to start in a kneeling position. First off, I just encourage you to gently close your eyes and let's just connect with ourselves and our breath. Set our intention for the stretch. How do you want to feel at the end? Take a big breath into your belly and exhale, let it all go. And again, inhale, exhale, one more time, inhale, and exhale. Gently open those eyes, and then we're going to bring ourselves into an all fours position. So take those hands underneath your shoulders and those knees underneath your hips. Tuck your toes and take those hips all the way up to the ceiling into your down dog. Hold here. I encourage you to pedal those feet, bending through one side and then the other. Let's get a little bit of movement. That should encourage you to just feel that stretch a little bit deeper through your calf muscles. Nice. And then finish both heels down. If you're not reaching, absolutely no trouble. Just get as far as you can towards the floor as possible. We're going to stretch and lift our left leg up and off the floor all the way to the ceiling. And now from here I want you to bend from the knee, bringing that heel towards the bottom, and turn and rotate out towards that leading leg. You should feel the stretch in your hips. Just hold for one more breath in and out. And then let that leg go. Nice. Same thing now, just other side. So let's lift and stretch that right leg to the ceiling as high as you can. Bend to the knee, bringing that heel to the glute. Rotate out towards that leg. I'm just holding here. One more breath in. And on that exhale, release and let that leg go. Good. We're going to pull ourselves forward and through to our plank position from here. Good. And then gently rest yourself all the way down to the floor. If you want to go kneeling and then chest to floor, that's completely fine as well. And just keeping that eye line down beneath you, we're going to push ourselves through our hands that are nice and close to our chest, up to a half cobra. Inhale. And exhale, let yourself go. And again, inhale. And exhale. Another one here, inhale. And exhale. And then on this last one, you're going to come all the way up. Extend through. If you want to, you can add a little bit of movement. You can take that gaze over one shoulder and then the other. Nice. Centre in the middle. And from here, just push your hips and bottom back. Relax down into that child's pose. Forehead down to the floor. Try to stretch those fingertips away. Good. And then come back up. Nice. We're going to take ourselves into a seated position now. So from the front, we're going to have crisscross legs. We're going to do a twist today. So you're going to take opposite hand to knee. Good. And then from here, I want you to take a big inhale and take that opposite hand fingertips all the way up to the ceiling. Follow with your eye line. All the way around and behind. Stay tall in your sit bones. Let that gaze relax over the top of that shoulder. And let that one go. Come back to the middle. Good. Same thing other side, so opposite hand to knee. With the other free hand, just reach and extend those fingertips up and overhead. All the way round and down behind you. Nice. And then what we're going to do is we're going to transition ourselves so that our feet are flat and our knees are to the ceiling. And what I want you to do is take a big inhale, and as you do, you're going to push your chest forward and through. And as we exhale, pull chin to chest. Inhale. And again, big inhale. Chest forward and through. And as you exhale, chin to chest. Release. One more time like this. Inhale. Nice. And exhale. Chin to chest. Good. And then you can just gently walk yourself down through that spine to the floor. Take those hands gently out to like an A shape, so just gently out to the sides. And what I want you to do is lift one leg over the top of another into a figure 4 stretch here. So this might be enough. Maybe you want to lift yourself up and off the floor and interlock those fingers behind that hamstring and pull it in nice and close. Lovely. You might want to flex those feet. You might even want to take that top leg all the way up towards the ceiling, wherever feels good. And let yourself go. Same thing other side now. Opposite leg comes on top for a figure 4 shape. Lift that bottom foot off the floor and interlock his hands behind that hamstring. Pull it in nice and close. Flex those feet. Extend that top leg. Just feel it wherever feels good for you. And let it go. Nice. And then you're going to take one foot over and fall across and away and hold. I want to apply a little bit of pressure. Just feels nice to release. I'm actually feeling a little bit of a release through my glutes. You may be in your back or wherever, just listen to your body and enjoy it. Chill out, be zen. And let's change over. Same thing other side, so over the top of that knee, and let the legs both fall all the way to the side. I'm feeling super chill. I don't know about you. I love stretching on a Sunday. It just makes me feel good. After all my hard work and keeping fit and healthy all through the week, it's just another thing to take care of myself and to contribute to my wellness, my well-being. And let that one go. Both feet flat to the floor. Gently rock yourself over into a fetal position. Come all the way up. And that is us all done for today for your Sunday stretch. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. As always, comment below. And just let me know that you took part and you got involved, and I'll see you soon for more workouts.